Some homes are special. This home is irreplaceable. This is the pinnacle of Vancouver waterfront living. With 1,900 square feet of living, a 700 square foot terrace, welcome to house-sized living in an iconic location. This two-story home offers a rare layout. One level living on the main floor, designed for those who want space without compromise. The den adapts to your lifestyle, an elegant home office, cozy library, or extra space for guests. The second bedroom on the main level offers versatility, just a few steps away. With over 600 square feet, the primary suite is a private retreat or an alternative space for your family or friends. A home like this deserves world-class amenities. Swimming pool, hot tub, sauna, gym, library, workshop, squash courts, and beyond your front door, the ultimate active lifestyle. Bike or jog the seawall, paddle False Creek, or hop on a ferry for a quick trip to downtown's best dining and shopping. This is more than a home. It's a lifestyle unlike any other. Want to experience it for yourself? Contact me today.